Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer and my fellow friends. Today, me and my groupmates will present about the proposal of estimated expenditure based on the road safety programs by the Ministry of Works. Ministry of Works is a ministry under the Malaysian government. The role of Ministry of Works is to build, establish and implement infrastructure and public facilities, especially roads and buildings. As we can see, the history where the ministry was established in 1956 under the name of the Ministry of Works, Post and Telecom. In 1975, the ministry was restructured and renamed the Ministry of Works and Transport. The rapid development and socio-economic development of the country in the 1970s has resulted in increased ministry function and roles. In line with this development, in 1978 again, the function and name of the ministry was changed to the Ministry of Works and Public Utilities. However, in line with this specialization of the responsibilities, in 1980s, the government decided to name the ministry after the Ministry of Works, and the name remains until today. Next, I will explain about the Ministry of Works vision and mission. They had already set the vision which to be organization pioneer in the development of infrastructure and spur industrial development to be more competitive in the global market. For the mission, the first one is to ensure the infrastructure development is planned, implemented and maintained in an efficient and a high quality. The second, they develop, expand, and strengthen the country's construction industry and competitive professional service in the global market. The third of the mission is they ensure the development of the capability and the capacity of the contractors, professionals, and the construction sector workforce was conducted in accordance with the national policy. Furthermore, the objective of the Ministry of Works is they provide the federal road network that can generate economic and enhance the quality of life. The second objective is they ensure the implementation of the development projects in a schedule, cost and specification as well as a high quality. The third objective is they providing the construction industry environment and professional services that is conducive in order to contribute to the economic growth and international competitiveness. And the last one, they want to build and strengthen the entrepreneurs in the construction industry. In the 8th of Malaysia Plan, the government through the Minister of Works has implemented various road safety programs to achieve the set targets. These include the first one, accident prevention. This approach aims to prevent accident from occurring. It can be achieved by conducting road safety audits for all new projects at all levels covering planning, design, shape, construction and operation. It is also implemented for existing roads. And the second one is accident reduction. This approach is taken to reduce the rate of accidents, injuries, and the death due to the road accidents. Among the programs implemented under this approach are the program to improve dangerous areas on federal roads, and the second one, motorcycle lane construction programs on the federal roads, and last but not least, the road safety program.
This project was implemented by Ministry of Works, Kelantan Public Work Department, which the director is Engineer Zailan bin Abdurrahman. Basically, who will receive the benefits of the projects? So it is for all the citizens of Kampung Lapang Sasar Bukit Pak Junu from all kind of ages. So the target of the projects is include to enhance social welfare. This welfare in most cases are not measurable in monetary terms, such as to improve access to schools and healthcare. Other social interest target is to reduce excessive walking and porterage, especially among women. This also targeted to improve access to the local economic centers and the places where social infrastructure facilities and services like schools and health centers are available. So, for instance, the road condition in Kampung Lapang Sasar Bukit Pajunu need to go through the red soil that fill with puddle air when using the road. So the access to schools has become more harder since the road is not in great conditions where there are potholes. Our target of the projects were also to reduce of the operational and maintenance costs of the motorbikes, which is commonly used mode of transport in rural areas. Also, it is to improve road access and the reduced travel time, decrease transportation costs of the road for the people itself. The targets will also solve the matter with thick dust every time the dry seasons arrive, causing them to have to cover their faces to prevent respiratory disorders.
Hi, my name is Rabiatul Laila. I want to present about where the place that we want to do this project and how we implement it. The place that we plan to do this project is 8 main entrance of Kampung Lapang Sasar, Bukit Pajunu in Rantau Panjang, Kelantan. This is the picture of the place that we want to do the project. How we implement this project is for the first step. Before doing this project, we need to visit the site to see what and how many materials that we need to use and how long the road that we need to pave. Our plan is want to do phase by phase project, and for the first phase, we will start with paving the road for 500 meters only. Then, we will prepare a budget and proposal for this project. After the proposal was accepted, we will get help from Jabatan Kerja Raya to find a contractor that suitable and can manage this project for 6 months. After that, we will proceed with buy materials that will be used for paving road process. Then, we will give a notice to the people who live nearby to make sure they know when this project will start. Lastly, we will proceed with the project for 6 months, and Jabatan Kerja Raya and contractor will help in implement this project.
Hi everyone, my name is Siti Nurani alias I will present estimated allocation budget of road repair at Kampung Lapang Sasar, Bukit Pajunu, Kelantan. The budget divided by 3, which is starting work, road construction, road furniture and road paint. Starting work have 6 elements. First, insurance policy for workmen. Second, accession guarantee money. Third, sample material test. Fourth, picture of progress in the form of hard copy and soft copy. Fifth, provide traffic safety sign for road user such as advance warning sign, roadwork sign, speed limit sign, detour sign, keep right sign, traffic control cone, and flag guards. 6. The contractor required to provide site supervisor because the work is being carried on the construction site. For road construction, first site cleaning work for 1000 square meter, second dredging work for 150 square meter, third mixed stand 300 square meter, fourth CIPR cold in place recycling 7 at 75 square meter using a CIPR machine, pet food, vibrating roller, motor grader and cement spreader. Fifth, diamond cutter 10 square meter. Sixth, crusher run 350 metric tons. For road furniture, supply and install thick rod sign 4 mm of aluminium composite type complete with iron pole minimum size 75 mm. For rod pen, for white pen 85 square meter, for yellow pen 75 square meters. This table for estimate budget for our project. For starting work is 200,000. For road construction is 700,000. For road furniture and road paint is 100,000. So the total overall for estimate road repair is 1 million.
Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie Cassandra Justin, and now I will be presenting about the duration for our project and the outcome, which is the benefits of our project in Lapang Sasar Bukit Pak Juno area. As we can see on the next slide, from what we have calculated and observed in terms of the conditions of the roads in that area, it will take about approximately 6 months for the project to be finally finished in phase 1, which is about 500 meters overall. And of course, for the final outcome of this project, or in other words, the benefits for our project towards the 50 plus people living in that area in the end, is they can finally pass by the roads with their cars and motorcycles better than before, without having to face difficulties like being stuck in the mud, breathing problems because of the sand, and overall it also reduces the traveling time. So that is all from me. Thank you.
The conclusion is this project will give a benefits to the people who has lack road facilities at their place, especially at the place that we do this project, which is in Ratau, Panjang, Kelantan. Then we have to make sure that they didn't face the same challenges again. It is because it will affect to their vehicle safety and environmental at their area. After that, we need to make sure that all people in the country have enough facility, especially road facilities. It is because we all know that without road facility, it is hard for them to go anyway. Thank you for listening our presentation.